Okay.
Takpo na.
Kaya na naman, tugo ka na lang ng ilong.
Kachilids ka. Ano na nga? Relax your mind.
How short do you want your sides?
Short, long, whatever you
Still
think.
long?
Still long.
Para na.
Whatever you think will look good on him.
Okay.
You decide. If this one not good, then you can have practice with this one. But to practice.
Let's
that.
wash first.
Okay. Oh. Ito.
So, ang kausapin mo daw sila.
You're gonna tell me some story of your adventures.
I'm sick. But I have headache.
Ito, magkapatid.
Oh, who is this boy?
Next po. Oh, di ba po?
Wash na.
Oh, lumabas ang pagkapogi niya.
Pag-milk wash.
Ito nakakain.
Kamusapin mo?
Dali na nakakain.
Nagpipisya.
Nanay.
What's your haircut?
Min Raya.
Oh. It's a photo. I just took the photo.
Natatawa siya ni Sita ko kayo.
But meron pa. Ganyan daw daw ngayon.
Bakit kaya? Parang ano?
Ano sa talo?
Just wash and trim. Yeah.
Yun ang itsura ko noon. Ay, alike naman yun.
Ano lately na-expose ka sa mga foreigners?
Why sabi mo?
Baka kailangan mo na mag-abroad.
We are twins.
Triplets.
No,
Triplets!
it's the other family. Other family.